Today, I want to talk about the aging process in humans, from external signs to internal decline. Aging is a natural biological process where bodily functions gradually deteriorate over time. Each person ages at their own pace, influenced by genetics, environment, and lifestyle, but this process is unavoidable. Many researchers agree that aging typically begins around the ages of 25 to 30, when the body starts to lose its ability to regenerate and repair cells. At this early stage, a person might not show obvious signs of aging, but a gradual decline in biological functions and the body's recovery abilities begins to manifest. Cells start to divide less frequently, immune function weakens, and cellular damage accumulates over time without complete repair. This is when aging silently begins from within before any clear external signs appear. One of the most noticeable signs of aging is changes in appearance, particularly in the skin and hair. This reflects the fact that the aging process often starts from the outside in. Gray hair is typically one of the first signs many people notice as they age, usually beginning in their 30s or 40s. This occurs due to a decline in the function of pigment cells in hair follicles, leading to a loss of natural color and the emergence of white or gray hair. Skin aging becomes apparent when collagen and elastin, two vital proteins that keep skin smooth and elastic, start to decrease over time. The skin loses moisture, becomes thinner, and loses elasticity, resulting in wrinkles and crow's feet around the eyes and mouth. Age spots or freckles, especially in those frequently exposed to sunlight, are also indicators of diminished skin protection against external factors. Once external signs like gray hair and skin aging appear, the aging process continues to affect the body's internal systems, starting with muscles and joints. From around the age of 30, muscles begin to lose mass and strength, a natural process known as sarcopenia. This muscle loss not only reduces mobility but also impacts stability and balance, increasing the risk of falls as one ages. Bone density decreases and bones become weaker starting in middle age, a condition known as osteoporosis, partially due to reduced calcium and mineral content in the bones. Joints also become stiffer and less flexible as the cartilage that cushions joints degenerates, leading to conditions like arthritis and pain during movement. As aging progresses, it deeply affects vital organs and internal systems. Organs such as the heart, lungs, liver, and kidneys gradually lose their functions, impacting overall health. The cardiovascular system is significantly impacted by aging. Over time, blood vessel walls thicken and harden, increasing the risk of hypertension and atherosclerosis. The heart must work harder to pump blood throughout the body, yet its pumping capacity diminishes, leading to heart failure or a higher risk of cardiovascular diseases. The lungs also gradually lose function, particularly in their elasticity, making it harder to absorb oxygen and expel carbon dioxide. This can cause increased fatigue during physical activity and reduce the body's ability to combat respiratory illnesses like pneumonia. The liver, essential for metabolism and detoxification, gradually loses its optimal functioning as age increases. Kidney function declines as well, reducing their ability to filter blood and eliminate waste, making the body more susceptible to kidney diseases and impairing fluid and electrolyte balance. The digestive system experiences a decline in organs such as the stomach and small intestine, reducing nutrient absorption and regulating gut microbiota, leading to digestive issues like constipation or indigestion. As people age, The nervous system also undergoes degeneration. Neurons in the brain do not regenerate like other cell types, leading to a gradual decline in brain function. Memory loss, decreased cognitive ability, and slower reflexes are signs of reduced neurological function. Neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's often emerge in older adults, severely affecting quality of life. The aging process culminates when the body's essential life functions cease, with the heart stopping as the most significant milestone. The heart's failure to pump blood means that oxygen and nutrients are no longer supplied to organs. When the body can no longer maintain vital functions, death occurs. Cardiac arrest can result from various causes related to aging, including heart failure, myocardial infarction, or respiratory failure. This marks the end of a lengthy biological decline, beyond which the body cannot recover. In conclusion, aging in humans is a journey from external decline, such as gray hair and wrinkled skin, to the deterioration of internal organ functions. Each stage of aging unfolds sequentially, affecting the most visible organs like skin and hair to critical organs like the heart, lungs, liver, and brain. The process concludes with the cessation of heart activity when life functions can no longer be sustained. While this process is irreversible, understanding it can help us care for and protect our health as we progress through the various stages of life. Thank you for listening. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more insights on aging and health. We welcome your comments and thoughts on this topic.